Yes.
Okay. Okay, let me share my screen. Yeah, as you know, partner agreement is created from an opportunity. Let's go to an opportunity. Okay, I just created this opportunity. So from opportunity, we need to go the related list. We will count for it is. So for creating partner agreement, we are using this new button, and this page you see, right, that is overridden by the Aptos page. And here just left it like this, but while selecting this program environment, you have to consider it carefully, because based on this program environment, the next screen, whatever the agreement fields will be defaulted. So each program environment is having different business justification. So based on that, we need to select that. So for now, let me select for ISP force.
So this partner agreement built on Aptus, correct? Lata?
This page, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, so this defaulting logic, right? If you will find it in the trigger itself, based on the let me open that trigger. Let me create this agreement. So if you want to change any field here, you can change it. So like Bacon, what it does, it first create the agreement and then it redirect to the part edit page. Okay. So for partner agreement, we have separate repository where all the customization related to partner agreement we put over here. This is partner product catalog trigger. Let me open this one. Yeah, if you see here, right, here partner trigger default one class is there. This is the main class where we put all the like trigger util logic. If you see here, there are a couple of methods here. Set default values for program environment, and this is default values for transition period, and this is set default value. Like this method that contains the like all the whenever we select the program environment, based on this it will default few fields value of agreement. Okay. So you guys can go in detail like what all fields we are defaulting on creation of a partner agreement. You can go detail here. Now, if you see the starters, it is approval required, right? The same way like the flow is same. It's the legal flow. We have to generate document, then we have to see for approval, then we have to send it for e-sign. So there in legal we have both negotiated and non-negotiated, right? Here we don't have that concept because partner agreement, for every partner agreement we go for a approval. So any questions so far?
No.
Okay. Okay, let me generate one document. So this is the Aptos page we use, right? In the legal also the same page. Okay, no template display this org. Let me check the template. This is for angel education. Okay. SPP. Okay, this looks good. Now let me check. Yeah, now it picked, right? So like based on the query template, the template would pick here. So basically, like there are a lot of fields created on agreement for partner agreement, and if you see this field name start with PA, right? So those fields usually we use for the partner agreements. Okay, now let me add a product. So here basically, right, it's the Aura component, and this feature is available for all the users. Like only the PAM user they can able to add a products. So in our case, Alliance Portal Manager profile, they can be able to add their product. And there is like we have some validation. Also, we can control it through the some custom label we put, and there we mention the profile, and those profile will be profile users will be able to add a product. Now, like this is a master product catalog template we are selecting here. So if you see right product catalog template, that means master product catalog means this is a template for creating one product. Okay, so if, like in when we select on this stage, I put my profile as system admin profile, so I able to search this product. So once this project got searched, right, we select this product, and what it backend what we do, we just clone this product, create an instance of this product, and attach it to the partner agreement. Okay. Let me go to this lookup field, this component. This is the component for sorting a product. Yeah. So here, if you see that there is some profile, access profile, here we mention the profile name as Alliance Portal Manager. So that profile, the business user who are assigned to that profile, they will be able to create, add a product to this partner agreement. And here we are querying this partner program PPC record. So this is the criteria, like these master PPC should be true. Then applicable program element. So let me talk about this filter criteria. So like in agreement, right, we have program enrollment, right? So based on that PPC, master PPC got configured. Let me open any of the master PPC, so it will easy to understand. Yeah, if you see here, right, we have one checkbox as is master PPC true, right? And we have applicable program enrollment as ISB push. So this is the one I selected, right, while creating an agreement. So that is the filter criteria we have. And in this PPC, like this product catalog, partner product catalog, it contains all the product configuration, all the information about the product. If you see here, the fields are price book IDs, 1 month, 12 months, price book name. So basically, we have three type of price book business use. One is reseller, commercial, one is OEM, and one is VAR. Any question on this filter criteria?
No, we are clear.
Okay. Yeah, so you can go to that component in detail, and you can go through each by each line. Okay. So let me create the product. Okay, application name cannot be blank. There are a few validation over here. Application cannot be blank. Application. Also, we should have a request type. And LRO also this field should not be blank. If you go to related, so this product got created. So if you see the name, right? If you see the name, let me go to that. Um, yeah, there is a like a logic behind the name. Whatever the clone product, right? The application name plus there is some the agreement name. But here this is development, or maybe because of this it is not working here. But there is a naming convention. Okay. Now let's submit it for approval. So these are the validation for submitting approval process, billing name, billing email, and customer signing field is required. Okay, customer signing. Yeah, so if you see, right, these are the approval steps and it assigned to certain user. For now, it assigned to me. And if you see, right, here is the delegate approver. So there is a concept of delegate approver the same way, right? Like for some user, if whoever assigned to, if he is not available, the delegate approver can also approve the approval, give the approval. Okay. So now the steps, if you see the steps, right, those steps are coming from the approval process configuration. So we use Aptos approval process for this, and this page is the Aptos page. If you see to the approval, right, approval process, this is the approval process. You have to go for in the tab, you have to give for approval process, then you have to select as agreement. You want me to go back and come to this page, guys? Hello.
Yeah, this is under the approval process. So there are some approval steps also. So can you just give?
Yeah, I'll
Like,
go through that. So first you have to go to this approval. Let me come in this page again, okay?
okay, okay,
So that you can also, uh, you have to search the approval process tab,
okay,
and you have to come as there are two approval process. If you see, right, you have to come as after approval process.
okay. This one after approval is
Correct. Now you will come to landing to this page. Here you have the option for like which approval you are looking out. So for agreement, you have to select agreement.
okay,
Now let me open this partner agreement because we do have only approval process for partner agreement, right? And this is Aptos approval process. If you look right, right, it is pretty similar to like standard approval process, but this is all the customized process. Okay. So here all the business object, process name, entry criteria, so all those things are there. And if you see here, there is some backup admin user. Like sometimes, like if the system will not found and correct approver, it will assign to the backup admin user. Okay. And if you
Okay.
go to the steps, here if you go, these are the approval steps. And if you see here, what are the steps? New OEM ISV application partnership, right? This is the one. So this one is big, right? Let me open that one.
Okay.
If you see here, right, there is approval rule. So based on the approval rule, so this assigner will be, these are coming based on the approval rule. In that approval rule, we have the configuration, we put the assign to value. Let me open that. Yeah, if you see the entry, right, you have to go to the entries. And here you have to click on this manage entries. These are part of all app test package. Okay. We just
Okay.
need to configure those. Actually, business user does this configuration. To give you some overview, I'm just going through those steps. Yeah, if you see here, right, if you see, right, ISP application partner, then assign is related user. This is the like agreement field. And also here you can sales ops, partner ops. Okay. So also you can like any user, any queue also you can assign here. Okay, so whatever condition like like matching here, the criteria, right? After status approval is equal to approval, you have to provide the criteria over here, and based on that, it will go to the value.
Okay.
Okay, there is also a delegate approval. Let me show you how to like set the delegate approval here. Here is the tab, right? Backup delegate approval. There, if you see, there is one record here, current user. So for this user, the backup delegate approval is this user. Okay. So
Okay.
that this way you can like you can like set the delegate approval and it should be in ejective and in effect to applicable. Okay.
Okay.
So like this, like if you see the whatever approval steps defined in this approval process, and based on the criteria we set in the approval rules, all steps will be picked.
Okay. But there are some sub process and some are child process. So is there any difference in the step type here?
Yeah. Those sub process means like in child process means like some are related to child record, like partner product catalog we added, right? So
Okay.
those are related to partner product catalog. If you see this approval, I open somewhere. Let me go back. Yeah, this one is business object is Aptos agreement, right? Let me go to somewhere where it is a product. But here it is a agreement approval based on this, like agreement business object is the agreement. But also we have based on the pattern product catalog, right? We are also configuring this approval rules. Uh, let me go to ISP force PNR. Let me check this one. Let me check any one of them. ISP PNR less than 15. Go to this. See, the business object is partner product catalog. Okay. So whatever the partner product catalog we have added to agreement, right? It is taking those record.
Okay.
Yeah, if you see this entry, yeah, yeah, if you see right, less than we see right, this one. This is the one we are showing. This is the criteria PNR is less than 15. Okay, this is the criteria matching with this pattern product catalog, whatever we have added the child records. Based on this step is fetched.
Okay.
Now it makes sense, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, let me submit it. You can submit with attachment. Also, you can submit without attachment.
Hey Lita, Manisha here. Sorry to interrupt you. Can I take 1 minute, please? Like, if you're fine.
Yes, sure, Manisha.
Thanks, Lita. So Nagesh, I just got an update. Like we are on track on CLM, but we have few playback sessions also scheduled in between of these KT sessions, right? So as per the plan, we should have a playback session
Yes,
that
Manish.
should already be done.
I mean, tomorrow and Monday we are planning for the playback sessions. So I'm going to schedule a call, Manish.
Okay, and as per the plan, I hope we are on this day 10, right? Day 10 of our technical
Yes, yes,
sessions.
technical, correct. So almost the technical and functional got over from CPQ and CLM. So the
Mhm.
playback sessions are left. So we are planning 2 days playback, 1 day for functional and 1 day for technical. So tomorrow and Monday, I'm planning for the playback sessions.
And when are we wrapping up the CLM KT plan?
Both on same. I mean, morning for CPQ and evening for CLM.
No, so as per if we go with the plan, it's a day 11 functionality is also left, right? The 11 is more on the playback and the reverse queries and clarifications. So, okay, okay, okay. So tomorrow and Monday, we are planning for those two KT session plans, right?
Correct,
Playback
correct.
sessions.
Yes, yes,
Got it, got it. So, so Nageshwara, are you planning to send those meeting invitation to all the respective team members?
yes.
Okay,
I will
sure,
send it. Yes,
sure. And it should be both for CLM and CPQ.
yes.
Thank you, Nagesh. And
Yeah,
thanks so
welcome,
much.
welcome.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, Lata, please continue.
Problem. Thanks, Manisha. Okay, so once we submit for approvals, right? So there are two buttons. One is preview and submit approvals, from where you can submit for approvals. But my approvals, there user can go to this my approval tab, click on this action, so we can see all the approvals assigned to myself. So if you see there's okay, let me approve from my approval. There are 9 approvals assigned to me. So let me approve. Okay. If you see, right, this is the is assigned to a queue. This is the Revdec Alliance. I have added my name there, sorry, my user there, so that I can also take the ownership. Now it came to my approval section. Okay.
Sorry to disturb again. Just wanted to recheck, Nagesh. So one session you're planning for tomorrow and one on Monday, right? One session each or two sessions? Total 4 sessions.
Uh, Total 2 sessions. Monday also, but whatever I schedule for tomorrow 1 session, and evening I will schedule for CLM
So there will be two
because
sessions, right?
yes, yes,
For tomorrow and two sessions on Monday, right?
correct. Yes,
Got
I'm
it. Got it.
scheduling the similar way.
Okay. So if you see this partner agreement got approved now, right? And if you see the child PPC record, so those are also approved. So all the child agreement and the related child records got approved. Now next step is I will create a, so this e-sign process, like it is the same as the legal flow, right? So I'll not go for this e-signature process again. Let me directly come to the add to the CUA record. So in this create CUA record, what we do, we create a default contract and we create a PCCT record. Now once this PCCT record got created, we so first step it will create a contract, default contract. Now step 2, it create a PCCT letter, that is partner channel contact term. Okay, so the start step got failed. Okay, insert failed, duplicate failed. Next time I did the okay, this is a development work, so maybe something got missed over here. Yeah, some component in development, so we are getting this error message. But ideally, like you should create one like default contract and create the PCCT and attach the PCCT with the partner product catalog. Let me pick any agreement that created earlier. Okay, to create the contact, but PCCT not created. Okay, let me go to any PCCT record. So you. Yeah, if you see here, right, we have the default contract and PCCT record. To the PCCT contract, the reason behind it, like we already reached the limit to the lookup field in org 62 in our production. So because of that, like we just keep the like keep a lookup field. Okay. And let me open the default contract and record. Yeah, this, so skipped, right? If already it found we have already present, then it will not create. It will just take that one. Okay, then some exception found here also. Yeah, let me tell you, like this is the PCCT record. So here, this whatever PPC record we created, right? Partner product catalog, that would be added here to the related list over here. Okay, for now it is not like it got not successful, right? So because of that, there is no record created, but ideally it should create here. Okay, and this is the contract record. And there are, while creating this contract, there are few defaulting below. Those are populated. So this action, right, creates UA record, the Aura component. From this Aura component got called. And you see this controller. So, it will come to this create CUA record to call the CUA record. CUA record, right? All the and the related products all should be approved. That is the validation port over here. And creating this default contract, this is the method which create the default contract. Okay. Then so any question over here?
So is there any particular document for the technical which having all the classes or trigger in detail?
I don't think there is. You have to like go through this flow, right? How you can make this action work.
Okay.
If it covers almost all the functional and technical aspect.
Okay.
But I'll let me check like if there is any document regarding this, because these are very previous implementation many years back. So I'm even not sure. Yeah. I think I will cover. Yeah. So any question? I think I almost every aspect I cover. So this approval process, right? Yeah, I recommend you go through the approval process and this code, and any questions, just let us know. You have any question?
Okay. Okay. We will go through with this.
So Lata, I'm stopping the recording.
Yeah.